Hey, it's Lance McGowan here, and as you can see from the background picture, it's so important to be able to stay focused, whether it's for work or for school, and these blends can certainly help. So you have the doTERRA InTune Roll-On Blend at 10 milliliters, you have the Young Living Brain Power at 5 mil, and the Melaleuca Sharpen at 15 mil. So when you look at the benefits of the InTune blend, it enhances your sense of focus, supports efforts to stay on task, and to study as well. The benefits of the brain power are that it promotes a sense of mental clarity and focus. And then finally, the benefits of the Sharpen blend is that it has an uplifting and refreshing aroma that can be used during study time. The uses of the doTERRA InTune are twofold, so you can diffuse it aromatically by taking off the cap as well as the roll bottle and putting 3 to 5 drops in a 4-hour diffuser, or you can put 6 to 10 drops in a 8-hour diffuser. You can also roll on a couple swipes to your temples or back of your neck. The uses of the brain power are twofold as well, so you can use in a diffuser or apply 2 to 3 drops to your palms of your hands, rub together and breathe in, and you'll see a pattern amongst the uses because since there's two main uses, you can apply this to all the brands as well. And then finally, for the Sharpen blend, it has two uses where you can diffuse in your office or home or dilute with a carrier oil and apply to your reflex points, typically on the bottoms of your feet or palms of your hands. The main ingredients of the doTERRA InTune is amyris bark, patchouli, frankincense, lime, ylang-ylang, Hawaiian sandalwood, as well as Roman chamomile. The ingredients of the brain power from Young Living is sacred sandalwood, cedarwood, frankincense, melissa, blue cypress, lavender, and helichrysum. And then finally, the ingredients of the Melaleuca Sharpen are lemon, peppermint, rosemary, basil, frankincense, and clary sage. So you can see some similarities with all of them having frankincense and a lot of different mixtures of different types of oils too that can help with just overall mental clarity and focus. Now the price of the doTERRA InTune retail is $46 and the wholesale price is $34.50. And then I have other videos that talk about the benefits as well as differences between retail and wholesale, so make sure to check those out with the links in the description below. And then when it comes to the price of the Young Living's Brain Power, it's $87.83 retail or $66.75 wholesale. And keep in mind this is for the 5 milliliter bottle, and so you can see this is going to be roughly double the price of doTERRA, but yet half the size. And then when it comes to Melaleuca Sharpen, the price is $48.76 for a regular member and $20 for a preferred member. And I talk about the difference and kind of what that preferred member pricing involves because you do have to do a little bit extra to earn that. And I talk about that in the links in the description below. But other than that, thank you so much for watching for today. Hit the like button if you did. Hit subscribe for future video updates if you haven't already done so. And most importantly, again, check out those links and I'll see you in the next video.